If your power goes out, remain calm.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Vertcoin. Today I'm going to talk about some more testing I'm doing on my rig. Things are still not profitable, as you all probably know, but I'm taking this opportunity to switch around on different coins and algorithms and see what would be involved in setting up the miners and the wallets, and what pools are best to mine in, and such as that. So currently I've just set up about, it says 1 hour and 43 minutes. I'm going to refresh it. Well, 1 hour and 48 minutes. So I have got Flux running with Mini Z miner, and I have RYO running with Crypto Dredge, and it's running on the, see what is it out? They got purple. I don't like this purple Kryptonite GPU algorithm. And so far it seems to be really doing really well. You can't see the line here. It's just, I'm doing about 4.8 kilohertz hashes per second, 4,838 hashes per second. About 2,400 on each card. I'm running two of my 1660 Ti's on RYO, and I'm leaving my other 1660 Ti's, 3070 and 3060 Ti's, 3070 and the 1660. So that's what this RYO, I have mined this in the past 2 or 3 years, maybe 4 years ago, I don't remember now. So I have a few of those already, and according to what to mine at my hash rate and power, I should be making about 28 a day, 850 a month. So we'll see how that goes. If what to mine is, there's my RYO pool with the long RYO address. Current hash rate, this reporting is, let me refresh this too, 3.58. Now it's showing 4.35 kilohash a second. And so this RYO pool, I've mined this, I believe this is the same pool I mined in when I was mining it in the past. On current estimate, oh look at that, found another block. 139 effort. Oh, 0. What did it do? Did I lose it? Let's go back and see. I hope not. I still, whoops. Alright, let's refresh again and see. Oh, we'll have to watch that. It's showing 0 pending total. Everything. Okay. That's what I want to find out. How are these pools going to actually work? Which, you know, hopefully another block's been found. And now it's showing some information. But during this time, there are going to be a lot of people bouncing around and swapping pools, and difficulty and hash rate up and down. So, but it's still a good time to take the opportunity to test some of these out and see what they're going to do. And I've also been thinking about some CPU mining. I have my work computer that I do my CAD services on, 3D modeling. It's got a pretty good processor in it, CPU. And I'm thinking, I have Linux, I have it dual booting to Windows and Linux. I'll probably boot it up in Linux when I'm not working on it, and let that CPU do find something that I can CPU mine on. That CPU, the Intel i7 4790K, it will do 559 hash per second. And this is on Raptorium, RTM. So estimated Raptorium you could mine per day would be 27 and 0.0026. Not much money, but there again, that could change also. Right now, I mean, if you're mining as if you're going to sell it today, then yeah, it would be a bad deal. But our current thoughts are that we're mining hoping for a future rise in the crypto sector, which I believe will occur. None of this is financial advice, so you do your own research and decide what you want to do. I'm just talking about what I'm doing and going from there. So yeah, it's showing minus 29 cents. But as long as I'm making some coins, yielding something, and this is Intel processors. This is a pretty nice little site, if it's true, minerraptorium.com. You can go to AMD processors. My laptop has this Ryzen 5 4600, and if let's see what it would do. I'm not going to use my laptop. I don't have a good way to cool it, but just out of curiosity, it does about, well, it's showing me having the other CPU. The little Ryzen 5 is doing a little more hash rate, 675, than which the Intel processor in my other computer is a few years old also, so doesn't have as many threads, I guess. But if I was running two CPUs like that one, that would be 61 coins a day. Anyway, that's I'm going to do a little more research, and I'll do a video on that too once I decide. I'll probably I'll see which one is best, Intel or AMD CPU, and I'll either mine Raptorium or Monero. Do some more research before I do that. Really hate to buy anything at this point, but I may run that computer in there when it's in its off time, when I'm not modeling or doing some of my work on it. I may let it mine on that CPU in there just to see what it'll do for reference purposes. But I want to stay on Flux Labs pool because they have a pretty good deal going on. I made an extra 4 Flux already and hoping to make some more. My loyalty's getting up to about 93%. If you get up 95, 94, 95% or more, then they have some more benefits and rewards for being in their pool. And it's a good pool. I've been on it for several days now. There again, I believe this is a good project, Flux. Not financial advice, but I think it's a good one to mine during this time. So I'm mining Flux and RYO. I think that's how you say it. RYO. That's about all there is to it. I have some RYO and I have some Beam, and I have which that I mined a few years back. And I did mine a few Kaspa. I like Kaspa. I think that's a good one too. In my Kaspa wallet. So anyway, that's about it for now. We're gonna see what this this RYO does with the kryptonite algorithm. And the other good thing about it, what I really like too, is I'm running it with the same settings I had on Flux. Didn't change anything, and it seems to be running really well. So that's good. I can just switch over to it without a lot of overclock changes. But I will, and I don't have any reject shares so far. Only run an hour. I'll let it run overnight, and I may bring it back up tomorrow and talk about what it actually did. So anyway, if you guys would subscribe to my channel and leave a like, thumbs up, and leave any comments, questions, suggestions, or anything, drop it down in the comment section. And I appreciate everyone watching, and I'll make another one and report back in. Thanks for watching the video.